From the crowded lanes of Dharavi, one of the largest slums in the world, to the classrooms of New York University in the US, this is the journey of a boy who refused to let circumstances define his destiny. In these narrow lanes of Dharavi, dreams are not always encouraged. They are negotiated with reality. Space is limited, money is limited, opportunities are limited, but hope is not. One boy discovered something powerful. Not just education, not just discipline, but belief. His name is Prathamesh. Today, he is pursuing his master's in mechanical and aerospace engineering at New York University in the US. This is an extraordinary story when life circumstances do not determine your destiny and when divine grace is on your side. Teachers who inspired, meals that kept children nourished, a story of a special school and a special boy. But to understand the story of Prathamesh, we need to go where everything started. Located in central Mumbai, Dharavi is one of the world's largest and most densely populated slums, covering just over 2.39 square kilometers and home to more than 1 million residents. In the heart of this massive community stands a special school, a lifeline, a second home, a place that not only educates but also gives students the confidence to dream and fly high. Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir, Dharavi, Mumbai.
ये है हमारा धारावी श्री श्री रविशंकर विद्या मंदिर। ये स्कूल का स्पेशलिटी ये है कि हमारे सिक्योरिटी भी हमें स्माइल से वेलकम करते हैं। जैसे कि मैंने देखा हर एक स्कूल का फीस बहुत होता है, तो पेरेंट्स सोचते हैं मेरा बच्चा इंग्लिश मीडियम में कैसे पढ़ेगा। तो गुरुदेव ने वो स्कूल इसके लिए खड़ा किया है, जिसके वजह से हर एक कॉमन बच्चे के पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चे को यहाँ पे दाखिला दे सकते हैं, एडमिशन करके उनका बच्चा अच्छा स्टडी ले सकता है। जैसे हमने देखा आज यहाँ पे ऐसा पेरेंट्स लोग का प्रॉब्लम्स है कि कोई मेड का काम करते, कोई बिगारी काम करते, कोई जाके गैरेज में काम करता है, कोई झाड़ू मारने का काम करता है। तो ऐसे पेरेंट्स है, पर उनका हुनर ऐसा है कि नहीं, हमें गुरुदेव के स्कूल में बच्चे को क्यों डालना है कि वहाँ पे संस्कार लगते हैं, बच्चों में बदलाव आता है, वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ चीज अलग तरीके से करते।
The first thing we do when you enter school, you have prayers. You do normal prayers, and then next thing you go to your classes, and the first most thing is Kriya. You do Kriya. So we used to feel fresh after the Kriya. It was like something is good. Right? It did make a difference. Like you feel calm, I see. You get a thought of clarity also.
At that time and after Kriyas, our teachers used to start lectures and everything.
Yeah.
And it's like from 7 to 2 कब बज जाते थे, we really don't know school में time कहाँ से कहाँ flow कहाँ से कहाँ चले जा रहा है करके.
Like those 7 hours used to pass by just like, oh wow. In 10th grade, we were so close as our whole class. It became our second place in school. Like used to be like a second home to us.
Yeah.
We used to also get some ragi with some milk, which school used to provide, and in the longer break we used to get food from ISKCON, which was actually great.
And then you also talked about your mom is still working at the same school that you went to, right?
Yeah, my mom is still working at the same school. I mean, she feels she cannot repay what actually volunteers or Art of Living has given to us, but she can do some kind of help to the school, or maybe like she worked there for a little more years and she actually enjoys there. So that's a good part.
Very nice.
First, I did my happiness course. And my teacher, she said, why don't we come and visit Dharavi school? So when I went, I said, oh, I am going to be here. So the principal also accommodated. So my classes were very special. We used to call it special classes, extra classes. Like only those children had problem So they will come to me. Okay, right from beginning, nursery, then slowly we had all, so till our 10th batch. So that way Prathamesh didn't come to me because he has always been a brilliant student.
We are all so connected to each other in this school. And this school has given me so much. I joined this school as a devotee, then I became a teacher. I was a pharmacist, so I was in the corporate world for some time, but I was not happy there. Here, this has given me so much achievement, personally, professionally. I don't want to go anywhere. I got call from different schools also. There are so many children in Dharavi. Not all of them get admission over here. Not all of them continue also. Some of them leave in between. I tell parents that you're very, very lucky if you're in this school. So the master's blessings are totally upon you. That is why you all are here. And I started teaching Prathamesh in the 9th and 10th standard. He was very curious. That is one quality which I liked about him, which was not there in most of the other students. And he would always bombard me with questions. So I had to be fully prepared. From his level, I had to teach. He was very happy because I think something started unfolding inside him. And he started developing a liking for physics, which is very rare. Development which I could see in Prathamesh was remarkable. As a student, he would do his homework. He was very sincere and hardworking and smart also.
After graduating from school, Prathamesh continued his studies in Mumbai. Step by step, he moved closer to his dream.
I was topper in my 10th standard, so for my 11th and 12th, usually when a person actually tops the school, they funds their extra classes. So school helped me with that.
After class 10, he went to Wilson College, which was very, very famous in Bombay. So all on his own merit. And then he went for his graduation. He came to me and said, "Teacher, I want to do this course. It's called Aeronautical Engineering."
For my bachelor's degree, I took a loan from bank for my aerospace engineering. Throughout my aerospace engineering and everything, few of the volunteers of Art of Living helped me a lot through any kind of questions that I had. Also, some kind of financial situation that I was facing through. I had few chats with Swati, teacher, which is my guide still. Because she used to come to volunteer in my school. She still helps me out with a lot of things.
I spoke to Gautam, my husband, and then I spoke to one of our trustee, Dr. Sharma. He's telling me this. We'll make this possible. We have to do it. Money was required for his boarding and lodging. And for that, every month we were arranging. It was everyone. I used to write a note. This child who is a very good student from Dharavi, because all of us, at the back of our mind, we always knew Guruji had said that. From our school, someone will come up. So always we had that feeling. And he did very well in his studies.
And after giving few exams and everything, I completed my bachelor's in aerospace in Nashik. And after completing that, after working for a couple of years, I decided to do my master's in US.
The exams were difficult and required months of preparation. The financial cost was tremendous, and one interview could decide everything.
So a lot of people won't know, to go to America, it's not that your Indian mark sheet. It's basically you have to write an essay first, and based on that, all your ex-teachers, professors, they will write about you.
And for my application process and everything, there were multiple challenges that I'd say I faced, throughout my financials, my recommendations, my SOPs and everything.
It was not a possibility for anyone from that area. And when he was appearing for his visa, there is sort of an interview. So he went. I said, "I'm very, very scared, Prathamesh." "Don't worry, teacher, let's see." So after that, it was another issue. One big chunk was payment of our previous loan. So that point of time, I was telling Pranita also, "Pranita, I'm not so sure."
आम्ही सायंटिस्टमध्ये जाणार तर आम्ही दोघं जण बोलायचो की तेवढं आपल्याकडे कुठे पैसे आहेत तुला एवढं हे करायला. तरी ना मी जाणार हे पण त्याचे पप्पा पण म्हणायचे की एवढे कुठे, तू साधा आपली 12वी झाल्यावर थोडासा कोर्स कर आणि जॉबला लाग, असं आम्ही सांगायचो त्याला. कुठून आणायचे एवढे पैसे? पण गुरुच्या कृपेने मला खूप गुरुकडून हेल्प झाली.
I wouldn't say this is a easy process because sometimes you just have to wait for nothing. I had actually quit my job and I was doing this because it has taken a lot of time, I would say, my process, my exams and everything. So I had nothing to do.
Prathamesh went and next day he's calling me, teacher ho gaya. Sir, what? Yeah, done it.
And then came the good news. He got his visa and admission to New York University. Yet, there was always a divine hand clearing the obstacles along the way.
You know, suddenly somebody called us. You need the money? I said, yes. Next day, he's calling me. I want to give it immediately. Send his number. I sent Prathamesh's number. It was 3.5 lakhs. So that he just got it. Like for us, it was beyond to collect. It is grace. I really asked someone, one of our very close friend and teacher. So I said, Gatkalji, how is it working? How come we are doing things? I am doing nothing. But things are working. He has this Purva Janam ka kripa.
माझ्या गुरुनी मला साथ दिली आहे आणि गुरुनीच मला पुढे म्हणजे त्याला हे केलं. माझी तर तेवढी हे नव्हती ऐपत, पण जसं जसं त्याने अभ्यास करायला लागला तसं तसं त्या गुरुजींनी पण मला मदत केली, त्याच्या टीचरनी केली, स्वाती टीचरनी केली, हे केलं.
And on top of that, Pranita told me, his mother, you know, teacher, he has got some 6-7 children to teach. And also he's getting a stipend for that. And he's also repaying mother's loan. The place to stay was also another grace. So what happened was, I told Gatkalji, there are 3 boys who are not getting accommodation. So Gatkalji, don't worry. So immediately he called his friend in the West Coast, somewhere in West Coast. He got the call back. The person saying, no problem, they will stay in New York. He has a Airbnb. Lot of things are working, which is on its own.
Coming from family and the situation I grew up in, no one would have thought that I would be here and doing my master's at NYU because let's be honest, it costs a lot. So yeah, my parents wouldn't have thought of that, but now I'm here, so it is because of them, because they never took away my confidence that you cannot do it or you we have some kind of financial problems. They never said we have problem. I know that we had problems, but it just makes it better if someone doesn't call it out. My friends would actually give me confidence that yeah, it will happen. My school friends especially Kabir and Govardhan, Saikiran, these guys were there for me when I was actually doing my application process and everything, and these guys were helping me a lot.
I think his hard work, his perseverance, and his dedication has, that's why he is where he is right now, and we have seen it. Those days, those months back, whatever he was doing, it wasn't planned. He wants to go, but there wasn't a proper plan laid out to him from someone.
Yes.
So it was step by step. So whatever stipend he got from the internship, he used it for GMAT. So that was a risk he took. He was a risk taker, I feel. And he had to convince his parents for that. They were like, what are you doing? He's like, let's see, I want to give this exam.
अच्छा, मी अभिमानाने गेला, चांगलं वाटलं. आमच्या घरामध्ये म्हणजे तो पहिलाच आहे या आमच्या गावी. बाकी सर्व आहे ते 12वी 15वीपर्यंत आहे. भावाची पोरगी एवढ्या मुलं असं काय नाही. म्हणजे एक आपली पहिल्या माझी हे होती, हे काय आता गेला ते मग आपल्या स्वप्नात पण नव्हतं तसं बघितलं तर, बरोबर आहे. कारण आपली एवढी अमेरिका म्हणजे आपण येत नव्हतं ना. देशातल्या देशात आपला काहीतरी आपल्या भारतात असं होतं. मग आता केलं तर काय अति चांगलं आहे, असं काही नाही, आनंदच आहे.
आता त्यांची स्वतःची अशी रूम नाही आहे, त्यांची स्वतःची रूम नाही आहे. त्या म्हणजे आता त्यांचे पगार पण इतके नाही आहेत की एवढं सगळं मॅनेज होऊ शकेल की तो अमेरिकेपर्यंत पोहोचेल. तरी पण त्याने स्वतःच्या मेहनतीवर तो तिथपर्यंत गेला आहे. म्हणून मला खूप अभिमान वाटतो त्याचा.
I didn't know that he would go so far from this school, from the background which he comes from. It is a remarkable achievement, and I feel so proud. I'm telling everybody, each and every parent I meet, my student is doing. He's gone abroad.
अभी तो हम लोग को अच्छा लगा कि हम लोग को ऐसा लगा भी नहीं था कि उतना आगे जाएगा वो. आम्हाला खूप बरं वाटतं, त्याचा खूप आनंद आहे की तो आमच्या म्हणजे पुढे आमच्या घराण्यात तोच एक पुढे गेलाय व्यवस्थित. म्हणजे आम्हाला खूपच हे वाटतं, त्याचा अभिमानच वाटतं मला त्याचा, की आम्हाला असं वाटलं नव्हतं की एवढं हे होईल. असं खूप हे वाटतं त्याचं, म्हणजे आनंदच आहे. लहानपणापासून खूपच म्हणजे खूप मेहनत घेतली त्याने, म्हणजे अभ्यास वगैरे व्यवस्थित सगळं त्याचा खूप हे झाला. म्हणजे मला खूपच त्याचा आनंद आहे, बाकी कुछ नाही.
I think your timing is important factor I feel in life, and that timing was there. When you keep things right, you're doing it. I think world helps you to go where you want to. So it was aligned with that, I feel.
We are not teachers, we are facilitators over there, you know. And I was there on the day Gurudev came there when the school was commissioned. Gurudev said there are children from this school who are going to be big people. They would be ambassadors, they would be film stars, they would be this, they would be that. They would go all over the world. And remember, when that happens, don't forget your roots. Come back and help the others. I was there and I have seen this happening.
जब भी बैंगलोर आश्रम में सत्संग होते तभी भी गुरुदेव धारावी के लोगों के बारे में बोलते कि आपको हर एक परिस्थिति में मुस्कान देखना है तो धारावी के लोगों के चेहरे पे देखना है. वहां पे आप जाओगे तो आपको सारे धारावी के लोगों के चेहरे पे मुस्कान दिखेगा. ये गुरुदेव का वर्ड हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है.
It's all because of school. Today, whatever we are, like our thinking process, are like living in a world, like what we have changed, what we have seen in our surroundings, and what we want to be in a future. Everything we have like learned and adapt from our school.
Right now, the most we want to do is improve our own lives, and our own surroundings will eventually change, I feel. When you change yourself, and that impact, I think, can inspire others.
My mom is a great believer of art of living. She believes that you, even if like we live in a normal condition, you should help people around you, like in whatever way possible. But I'll try to help every other person like around me, like in whatever situation may be there. And I'd say like if you like think of something or dream of something, you can just like work towards it, and some other way the universe will give you that.
His parents, his school teachers, and his friends never told him, "No, this is not possible." At Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir, Art of Living Free Schools in Dharavi, children are encouraged to dream beyond their circumstances. Prathamesh is one of them, and many more are just beginning.